Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.8. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of x squared plus 1 into log x dx. Now this is of the form integral u dv. So let's write the formula. So this is going to be uv minus integral v du. So let's identify the u and v here. So u is going to be equal to log x and du will be equal to 1 by x dx. Now dv is going to be equal to x squared plus 1 dx, which means v is going to be integral of x squared plus 1 dx, which is x cubed by 3 plus x. Now let's perform the operation, substitute in the formula. So u dv, which uv, so which is x cubed by 3 plus x into log x. Now minus integral v du, so this is x cubed by 3 plus x, the whole thing into 1 by x dx. So here first I'm going to take x outside, so this is x cubed by 3 plus x into log x minus of integral, I'm taking an x outside, so this is x squared by 3 plus 1 into 1 by x dx. This x and x I can strike it out. So this is x cube, I'm term-wise multiplying, so x cube log x by 3 plus x log x. Now minus integral of, this is going to be x squared by 3 plus 1 dx. So the minus sign is there for both the integration. So let's perform this. So x cube log x by 3 plus x log x minus, now there is a 1 by 3 outside, so this is integral x squared dx, then there is a minus integral dx. So let's perform it. So x cube log x by 3 plus x log x, then this is going to be minus 1 by 9 x cube, because this is going to be x cube by 3, then there is a 1 by 3 outside, then minus x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. The second subdivision is also of the form integral u dv. So let's identify the u. U is going to be log of 1 plus x. So du is going to be 1 by 1 plus x dx. Now dv is going to be equal to x squared dx, which means v is equal to integral x squared dx, which is x cubed by 3. Now let's write out in the formula. So uv, which means x cubed by 3 log of 1 plus x minus integral v du. So it is x cubed by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x dx. So I'm going to take the 1 by 3 outside here. So this will become x cubed log of 1 plus x, the whole thing by 3 minus 1 by 3 integral x cube divided by 1 plus x dx. Now the degree of the numerator is greater than that of the denominator, so let's perform long division. So x cube divided by x plus 1. So if you divide x cube by x, you get x squared. So this is x cube plus x squared. Now you perform subtraction. So this will become minus x squared. Divide by x. So this is minus x. So you multiply. This is minus x squared minus x. Subtract. This will vanish. This will become plus x. Again divided by x. So you will get a plus 1. So x plus 1 on subtraction you will get minus 1. So now let's rewrite this integration. So this is x cube log of 1 plus x, the whole thing by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now this I can write as quotient plus remainder by divisor. So integral of x squared minus x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x dx. Now we are going to remove this 1 by 3 actually by multiplying it by every term along with minus sign. So this is x cube log of 1 plus x, the whole thing by 3 minus 1 by 3 integral x squared plus 1 by 3 integral of x dx. So here also a dx, then minus 1 by 3 integral dx, then plus 1 by 3 integral dx divided by 1 plus x. Now let's finish off this integration and round it off. So this is x cube log of 1 plus x by 3 minus 1 by 9 x cube plus x squared by 2 will be coming. There is a 3 here, so x squared by 6 minus x by 3 plus 1 by 3 log of 1 plus x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.